What's going on, traders? It's your one and only forex skill coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. All right, so this is a quick one. A lot of people have been complaining and asking me, Tim, do you know any way I can actually withdraw my crypto from my Binance? Okay, so for those of you who have been affected by the latest updates regarding Binance not working in Nigeria again, and you have your cryptos stuck in Binance and you're looking for how you can actually get this into your local bank account. So this video is for you. All right, so let's state it clearly. If you're looking for how to withdraw your crypto from your Binance to your Nigerian bank account, this video is for you. So if you get to observe, you would notice that NGN is not more on Binance. Let me search for Nigeria. It's not more on Binance, as you can see. So there is no way for you to actually withdraw your money from Binance directly right now. All right, so what do we do? How do we do it? Since the P2P is not working again, what's the way out? Okay, so this is how I do my own thing, because whenever I'm withdrawing money from my trading accounts, I withdraw using Skrill, and what I usually do is to withdraw from Skrill and send it to my Binance, convert it to USDT, and then use P2P. But now P2P is not working. How do I do it to still get my money to my local bank account? So this is what I do. I have $96 worth of BTC here. So what I'm going to do right now is to search for my Luno app. So you want to go straight to your App Store or Play Store and install Luno. Okay, create an account, and then while you're creating an account, it's going to ask you for referral. If it asks you for referral, you can use the code on the screen right now, and that's going to help you get some bonuses when you create your Luno accounts. All right, so use the code 4G5GY, okay, code, and create an account. So once you create an account, here is my Luno app. As you can see, I have only 34 Naira here, and that's for my Naira account. As you can see, I also have BTC account. So if I click on BTC right now, and then here you have my BTC transactions. So I will just have to copy my BTC address, then go straight back to Binance, and under Binance, I'm going to click on withdrawal. Okay, because what I want to do now is I want to withdraw my BTC. Okay, I have $96 here worth of BTC. So when I click on withdrawal, I'll click on BTC again. I'll click on send via crypto network. All right, so I'm just gonna have to paste my address right here, and then under the network, I'm gonna click on Bitcoin. Under here, I'm gonna click on maximum because I want to withdraw everything. Then next thing is to click on withdraw. Okay, I just have to confirm that. So I'll click on confirm. So while withdrawal is on process, there's a quick reminder, in case if you're new to my channel for the first time, hit that little subscribe button there, turn on the notification bell. Look, that bell is very important. Most of you have actually subscribed, and I'm grateful for that, but you did not turn the notification bell. So why not to turn the bell on? All right, okay, so right now, if we get to observe, you see our balance has been increased to 129,400. You can see on the 11th of March, which is today. So let's see. So this is our balance right now, all the way from 34 Naira before to now we have 129,000. But currently we need to, for us to be able to withdraw this into our local bank account, we need to send this crypto we have here into Naira, our Naira currency here. So how do we do that? We're going to have to click on, the BTC here, and we click on sell. So right now we want to sell our BTC for Naira. So we're going to click on Naira. So how much BTC do you want to sell? I'm going to click on maximum because I want to sell all 0.282 in my Naira wallet. So I'm going to click on next. So you saw BTC of 0.001133324 for this amount of Naira. Okay, If you have watched this video to this extent, congratulations to you. You are at the edge of withdrawing your crypto from your Binance into your local bank account. And if you love this video, why not hit the like button? That's a way you support my efforts and also a way to show me that yes, you love videos like this and I should keep making more for you guys. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And the notification bell is very important. It helps you get notified instantly anytime I post a new content, okay? So we click on go to wallets. So right now, as you can see, our Naira wallet has increased. If we go back, you will notice our BTC here now is empty and our Naira wallet here now has increased, meaning we have sold all our BTC for Naira. Now, how do we send this to our local bank account? What we're going to do is to click on the Naira, click on withdraw, create a voucher. How much do you want to withdraw? I want to withdraw all. Creating voucher. So I'm going to click on redeem. So I want this money to be sent to my local bank account, which is my GTB bank account. So they will request for voucher number. So I'll get the voucher number. You redeemed your voucher. So before this money will be sent, let me check my GTB bank. I think the money there is, I think I've exhausted all the money in that account. Oh, so currently no money. So we'll be expecting the withdrawal to reflect anytime soon. Okay, so the money has just reflected. If we click on history, we can see clearly this is the amount we just withdrew from our Luno. So in this way, you can easily withdraw your money from your Binance to your local bank account. So if you don't have a Luno account, just go straight to your Play Store or App Store and install the Luno app under your referral. If you want to get a bonus when you create your account, then you want to use my referral code, which is on the description of this video right now, or you can see it on the screen. That's my referral code. Just use this referral code on your Luno while creating your account, and you're going to receive a bonus for creating a Luno account with my referral link. So guys, let me know if you have any question, leave it on the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to your questions. All right, for the meantime, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.